front of me is Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and let me show you how to manage battery percentage and status bar. So at first, just open the settings, then find and select notifications and go to status bar. Okay, so it's under advanced settings, so click on advanced settings and then go to battery percentage under status bar right here, so you can turn it on and off smoothly by using the switcher. And this is it. So if you'd like to hide it, just unmark it, and if you'd like to stay with the current battery percentage and status bar, just leave it active. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.